Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are talking about my palettes part 9. I'm sure that after 8 videos you have already understood the concept of this series. So basically I'm going through my palette collection, I'm showing you my palettes one by one, I'm telling you some things if I like them, if not, the story of them and all this interesting stuff. So if you want to know more about my collection, let's start! We are starting with something older, a collection, not a palette, which is almost 2 years old by now. So here we have Too Faced and the Christmas collection of 2020. So I'm gonna unbox it for you. It's containing 3 palettes. First of all, this one right here, which has a bronzer and a highlighter. I'm so curious if they still smell. Oh my god, they smell, and they smell Christmas, people. They have a perfect smell of fresh baked cookies or something like that. The second palette is a blush palette, if you can see right here. So I'm opening it. It has these 4 shades. Basically my favorite is this one right here because it's kinda subtle, it's kinda cold undertone, so I feel that this works perfectly for my skin tone and I truly loved it. And again, it smells the same, and basically the reason that you're here is the actual eyeshadow palette. So here we have this big one. I'm gonna open it for you, and it has so cute names of the shadows like Chocolate Wasted, Gimme Cookies, Let It Shimmer. Like, I'm in love with the names. So when it comes to the color story, yes, it's a little bit neutral, but I really wanted to try something from Too Faced since I have never owned something from Too Faced before. So I started with this palette, and actually it's a very good quality palette. And although that I'm not really using it these days because basically of the color story, because I'm not that neutral as a person, I do not prefer having neutral makeup. But for someone who actually likes this type of makeup, I think that this palette would be perfect, a perfect choice. And it still smells, and it has this glitter right here, which you can see I have used it a lot. I don't know why I forgot about it. Maybe I need to start using this palette again only because of this glitter. We continue with a more recent purchase of mine. So here we have from Aden Cosmetics the palette Emerald. This is the Birthstone palette collection, and this specific palette is for May, my birthday month, so that's why I bought it basically. The color story is this one right here. To be honest, it's not the best color story that I've ever seen, but I'm planning to do a dedicated makeup tutorial for this palette because this color and this color are actually inspiring me so much, and I really want to try it. And since it's for my birth month, I might combine it with something more personal, like facts about me or something like that. So basically, if you have any ideas about this video, please feel free to write down in the comments. I would be very happy to hear about them. Oh, I'm talking about makeup tutorials, and I realized that I forgot to tell you about this makeup today. So I have already filmed a makeup tutorial for this makeup look. If you're interested, you can find it at my older videos where I'm doing the Aden Cosmetics review, so you can go there, you can watch it. And if you want to see more close-ups, pictures that you can actually zoom in, you can always visit me at my Instagram page. This is gonna be Catlady Antigoni down here. Go there and you can find everything. I'm ready to bring some nostalgia in your life, so I don't know who of you are actually remember the series with the hearts from I Love Revolution. Here we have Dragon's Heart. I have already shown you Angel's Heart and Mermaid Heart, but this is our red and purple palette. To me, it's a good palette, like not perfect, especially for the price that I have bought it, around 5 euros, and the time that I have bought it. Like, it's been 3 or 4 years since I bought it, so it was okay back then. So definitely nowadays I have better palettes in my collection. I'm not really reaching for this palette, but I truly loved the collection, and to me, I have a lot of memories using this palette, trying new techniques with this palette, learning makeup with this palette, so I'm not ready to get rid of it. So that's why I'm keeping it basically. It's not the quality nowadays. It's not horrible, but it's not something that I would reach for, but basically it's the memories. That's why I'm keeping it. And to me, I don't know how to feel about Revolution because They have okay prices, they have okay products, but they're not like mind-blowing. I haven't found anything mind-blowing, and that's why I have so many months to buy something from them. So I don't know, if you have tried anything from Makeup Revolution or all the related companies, aka Heart Revolution, XXX Revolution, Revolution Pro, or whatever, please write down in the comments what I should try from them. Let's remain to more affordable makeup companies, and actually let's go to this palette right here. Here we have from Aden Cosmetics the palette Would You Love Me? I mean, it's so cute! Look at the packaging, look at it, look at the bunnies which are hugging each other. Oh my god, like, you can clearly tell that I bought this palette from the packaging. No doubts here, but let's see the actual colors. The color scheme is an actually very good color scheme. You have greens, you have this that can be used as a highlighter, not a very bright one, kinda subtle, but I think for everyday look is fine. And then you have two browns, and one of them has shimmer inside. To be honest, I don't know why I'm not reaching that much for this palette, because the color scheme is nice, but maybe the quality is not that mind-blowing. Like, it's been years since I last tried to use this palette. These days I have other palettes that are my favorites, that are my go-to. I trust them, I know that they are buildable, blendable, the pigmentation is there, so that's why I'm not trying this. But tell me down in the comments, do you want to see a dedicated makeup tutorial with this palette, or actually with these shades, like the greens with the browns and this as a highlighting shade? Because I think that I will have a lot of fun discovering my old gems again. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Do you see what this palette says? Would you love me? So actually today I'm planning to tell you the word for wood. So in Greek we say dasos. Say it with me. Dasos. Dasos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word dasos, or actually tell me the word in your own native language. Let's go, people! We continue with a big palette. So here we have the big palette from Oulac Cosmetics. They sent me this palette quite recently, like during summer. And I haven't used it a lot, but I have used it enough to understand how good is the quality of the shadows. The reason that I'm not mega reaching for this palette is that it's kinda huge for me, and although that I love having variety, I usually store my bigger palettes by the bottom of my wardrobe, so that makes me having a little bit more difficult access. But actually, as I'm seeing this palette, I'm planning to store it a little bit higher up, because I really wanna dive into the colors. Because can you see all these amazing colors? Can you see the pink right here? Oh my god, I wanna swatch this pink, to be honest. I wanna show it to you. And actually not only the pink, that this color as well, because this is one of my favorite colors. So let's see the quality here. Can you see? I mean, wow, right? Last but not least for today, here we have Laguna from Glam Shop. Glam Shop is a Polish indie brand. Their products are so high quality, like, can you see there? I have never used this palette because I'm planning to do an exclusive tutorial here at my YouTube channel, and if you don't want to miss it, now it's your time to subscribe and actually hit the bell to make sure that you will get every notification for all my videos. Now let's go to the palette. Of course I bought it because of the packaging. It has a mermaid. My heart belongs to the mermaids. Water is my favorite element, so I truly love this palette. And if you see the color story, it has a very great color story of teal and dark blue and these shimmery eyeshadows, and I'm truly in love and I really want to swatch it, but I'm keeping my first impressions for the makeup video, but I don't really know. I'm gonna swatch it, you know, I'm gonna swatch. So I wanna see how this color performs and then how this color performs. Wow, wow! Let's see them on my hand. Wow! Oh my god, the perfect mermaid colors! My god, Glam Shop did it again. Like, I have tried a lot of their products, I'm very happy with their quality, but I mean, wow, right? It's so amazing. Actually, this color story speaks to me, so maybe I think that I need to hurry up about this tutorial. Let's see, people. Another thing about the glam shop that I truly love is that they are keeping their Polish element. So they have their palette names in Polish, their shadow names in Polish, but their webpage is fully in English, so it's not an issue. But when you receive the products and you actually see Polish name, how cute is this? How nice, and it gives a folk element which I truly love and I truly appreciate when brands are keeping their identity. And that was our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed the next part of my palette collection. I hope that I gave you some inspiration when it comes to palettes and colors and all the cool stuff like that. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Hope to see you next time. Until then, bye bye!